Hello, in front of me I've got Realme smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to reset Realme phone when locked. In order to reset your Realme phone when it's locked and you don't remember password, firstly we have to reset the smartphone. While resetting, press and hold power button and volume up button until you see Realme logo. Thanks to this sequence, we can enter fast boot menu. Now, select English. We navigate through fastboot menu by pressing volume up, volume down buttons and confirm by pressing power button. And now we have to select format data. Thanks to this function, your smartphone will be reset to factory defaults, and also it will erase all data from your smartphone with the screen lock. After this, you will have to set up your smartphone from the beginning. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.